So one of the things we get asked about frequently is how do I identify what type of door handle I have? You got different levels of door handles, Gen 1, Gen 2, Gen 2.5, Gen 3. And so one of the easiest ways to tell on the front window or the back window, the easiest way to identify it is you open the door and you pull off this chrome trim. So you're gonna roll it up and towards you. So you just work your way up. Try not to bend it because it's metal. So once you get it kind of brought up, the whole thing will come right off. Just like that. The next thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna go inside, put the window down. Now from this point, you'll be able to look inside the door handle and you'll be able to see it. Let me get a light. All right, and you can see in this crack. So see how that has a plastic cover over the back of it? This is a Gen 3 handle. If you have anything other than a Gen 3, sometimes it'll have a cover, a little rubber cover over the top of it. A lot of times Tesla service will just take that off and throw it down in the bottom of the door. But you'll see the wires if not. So this is a Gen 3 handle. So you're not able to replace any of the micro switches on this particular handle. This has a Hall effect sensor.